until that's warm enough. Do you know how to check? Okay, now what do you need to maintain the heat? What do you need? Put that down, please, and answer the question. What do you need? What do you need to do to maintain the heat? Or else it's gonna get cold.
Okay.
You do this. Take this. Do that. You saw how I did it. You need another plate as a lid.
Oh, okay.
Yes, another plate as a lid.
Are you mixing up the candles? Why not?
Alright, cool. It's heating up. Nice and neat. Alright, cool. So put the sausages in. Now make sure you spread it around. Yeah, make sure you spread it around. Nice and neat. Have you got it?
Yeah.
Good. Alright, keep your hands in the air.
Make sure it doesn't go near.
And then what you do is you bring this down here and then you take it down like that. Alright? Okay. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You just do this. Like I told you, like that. See that? Alright. Don't throw, no. You don't throw it in. Why are you throwing it in? It is ridiculous. No, you're not listening. You don't throw it in.
They're cooking too fast.
Yeah, it is cooking too fast. We change it to this one.
No one does.
Okay? Listen, you don't throw food. Do you understand? Alright, now, Tina,
I say Soren loves it.
why did you walk away? There's no egg in here. You need to focus. Enroll. Yeah? You two are paired for a reason. Okay? So if it's heating up too much, what do? Turn the heat down. Yeah? Never walk away from food that is cooking. You understand? Or from a hot place. Come on.
So I
Sure.
just start putting them in.
Yeah, and then break with both hands. Keep your hands in the air. Nice. Okay, do the same. Pretend.
Moses, do I
Good.
still
Come
put
close.
the sausages
Wait.
in?
No.
What?
There you go. No more. Leave it in there. Return that. Put it over there. And then get a fork. And then keep an eye on this one. Yes, you can.
Do I put them in the
Good.
bag or not?
No, don't put them in the bag.
What are you doing?
Alright. Hugo. What are we doing?
Anisha told me to put, and Anisha's gone. I'm telling him. We're making some peanut butter.
Instructions have changed. Where is Olivia? You know you're filling in for Anisha, right? Good. Instructions have changed. So change, yeah? If Hugo wants you to change, you change. You focus, put it in the bin, yeah? Keep an eye on the frying egg, or else it will what? Or else it will what? Burn. Exactly. It's as simple as that. Do not take your eyes off what you're doing. Tana, you stop bouncing around, please. And keep your eyes on what you're doing. You understand?
Yeah.
Do not walk away when you're cooking. You need to keep an eye on what you're doing and do it well.
Wait, you go. You go.
Now, watch this. See that? It's already cooking. So you cannot turn away for very long.
Olivia, I'm gonna fall down right to the back. Yeah.
Alright? Keep an eye on it. Alright. And here? Let's see. Okay, this is beginning to heat up. Get a fork. And then what you need to do with the fork, you don't put it in your mouth. Yeah? Both of you don't need a fork. You just need one fork. Okay? So I'll take this. Put this one in the sink. And then all you do is turn them around like that so that they cook nice and even. Yeah? You move them around like this. Okay? Good.
Is somebody gonna do? I'll do the bacon.
First, you need to cut it open. Can you get a knife or just one? Just one. No.
Start flicking it. Start flicking it.
Give it a chance.
Soren has it,
You know, to
doesn't
cook a bit. Yeah. Give it a chance. You can tell by looking at it. It's not quite cooked yet. Sorry. There you go. Whenever you're cooking with something, do not put it in your mouth. Yeah. There are two reasons why you shouldn't. Can you tell me why?
All the germs are on it.
The germs are on it. What else?
If it's hot, you can burn it off.
Perfect.
Can I please take a drink?
Okay. Let's finish.
Right, taste it.
Alright, what we're also going to do is probably put a little bit of butter here and see if it makes any difference, yeah? So, can I help you? Oh, you're using it yourself. Alright, may I?
Should I just take it out?
Not all of it, only what you need. Yeah, that's fine, take it out. To help you cook it. It's going to help you cook a lot faster and you'll keep it.
Moses.
Yeah.
You go.
Yes, could you flip it for me? Yeah, that's very good. Pick one and then flip. Nice and quick. Oh, that's brilliant. Liam, can you see that?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'll cut it up.
Oh, you want to?
Yeah.
Is everyone okay with that? Igor wants to cut it up.
There's more people.
Bake it.
Yes, there's more people. Cut it.
Alright, cut it in. Why not just cut it in
Cut it
half?
into eight. You go. You go. I love it. I'm gonna put the peanut butter on the jelly, okay?
Alright.
No jelly.
And you can get, it's alright, it's not gonna burn. Just shake it like that. See that? Can you try it for me? I know you're a bit scared. Just grab, shake with confidence. No, right. Not on it. You need to lift it off the element just a little bit. Like that. It's not gonna do anything. Yeah? Just keep your hands out. Look, you see, look at where I'm standing. You do exactly what I'm doing. You're like that. Then you put it down. Try it for me. Quick. That's it, good. Yeah, shake. Yeah, shake with confidence. There you go. And then you put it down. Perfect. See? Not bad, eh? Good. Alright, how are we doing here? Okay, Tana, could you open the lid for the eggs so that, careful, so that Enro can toss it in and then you put the lid back on.
You go. Can you tell me
Not
this
too
is
much,
down
just a little bit. Give the chance to cook it. Yeah.
I'm trying. How to do one just jam one. Move, Hugo. Okay.
Good, like that. That's excellent. Good. And then the next one. Now remember to hold the handle. There you go. Perfect. And then you transfer.
Finish.
There you go.
Hugo, watch out.
You say excuse me. You just say excuse me. There you go.
Good man.
Yeah, excellent. And then you, what I need you to do is learn something new. I want you to stand back, grab, and shake. See that? So that you're not too close to it like this. You don't want to be too close at all. Yeah. Stand back and shake. Try it for me. Stand back. Stretch your arm. Good. Not too much. Just back. Yeah, good. Shake. Oh,